Dave Schultz for 103.7 The Game at Cajun Field, where the Raging Cajuns open up the 2014 football season with a convincing 45-6 victory over the Southern Jaguars. Terrence Broadway with over 230 yards passing, Jamal Robinson with over 100 yards catching, and Elijah McGuire with over 100 yards rushing.
Just the game plan is just don't force anything. I checked it down to Alonzo one time on 3rd and 8, made a guy miss, and first down. So our backs are very talented with that. So our thing in the camp in the spring has been check it down, don't force the issue. And I checked it down twice, and we got 2 first downs, one to Alonzo and one to TP, Torrey Pierce. So that's our whole thing. Is just don't force anything to Jamal, don't force anything to James. Just let the game come to you. And we was very successful in the second part of that game with that.
I paid off a lot. He threw the ball up with the chemistry we have. He threw it up and knew who I was. I made plays and made it where he knew he can count on me. So we put a lot of work in, trusting each other.
With Coach Lovins, you got to be ready at all times because you never know when he'll call your number. So he called my number and I was ready to go.
Even though the offense for the Raging Cajuns will get most of the headlines, it was the defensive line that did a great job controlling their side of the ball.
Oh, it pays off definitely because all we need is a call. We just go. I don't have to look at him for no checks or nothing. We just line up and we can play. They give us a call, we just run it. That's the chemistry we have.
Yeah, I've kind of went through some ups and downs my whole career, so just staying ready, man. That's one thing I learned through my 3 years here, man. You just got to stay ready, and it was just consistency throughout the years, and that's my biggest thing. If I can just stay consistent, if I can just do that day in and day out, we have a pretty good year.
As you can imagine, Coach Mark Hudspeth was pleased with the results.
Really, really proud of the way we played. Anytime you play first game of the year, you always are worried about a lot of first game mistakes. And then when you play the first game of the year and sort of, drizzling rain early and on and off, and you're worried about is it going to thunderstorm and all the distractions, I thought our guys really did some nice things. Still, a lot to build on, a lot of improvement in a lot of areas, but I thought it was a pretty clean game.
Once again, your final score from Cajun Field. The Raging Cajuns defeat the Southern Jags 45-6 and start the 2014 season 1-0. Up next on September 6th, La Tech comes into town. For 103.7 The Game, I'm Dave Schultz.